Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect and pair Vizio 5.1 Soundbar to Subwoofer in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to plug in and turn on the soundbar and the subwoofer. Just keep them within a few feet of each other during pairing for a stable connection. Now, after doing so, most of the Vizio systems pair automatically. So you need to simply take a look at the subwoofer LED. If it is showing you solid light, it means that it is paired. But if it is blinking, it means that it is not connected. So if it is already solid, it means it is connected and you are good. Now, if not pair, you just have to do nothing but to just simply press the pair button on the subwoofer, and then the subwoofer is going to be connected. So once paired, you can move the subwoofer to its position. Just keep it at least 10 to 15 feet away from the heavy bolts and the interference, because this ensures a stable wireless signal. Now you need to simply play a movie or a music with bass. Check if the subwoofer is producing low frequency sound. Then you can adjust the bass level using the remote if it is needed. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.